Y'all, we did it. We did it, y'all. This is the perfect diabetic friendly pasta dish coming in at only 7 carbs. You're probably going to want another serving. And it also burns fat. Holy cow, how do we do that? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because I'm going to show you exactly how we said bye-bye, boo-boo, to your basic meatballs and pasta. Coming in at 36 grams of carbs. And baby, that's only if you eat a serving. We ain't eating just a serving. We eating a bunch in our household. Well, hello, my beautiful friends. I'm Dietitian Shelly. During the day, I work in an outpatient clinic, mainly working with folks who are diabetic, PCOS, hormonal issues, and those who want to lose weight. And we follow a low-carb lifestyle, but I'll show you how to make your food delicious, low-carb, and easy. But boo, you see on this Palmini can, it's the clearance section at Walmart. Y'all know I shop at Walmart. I don't do anything fancy. I just can't. I can't afford it. I got 2 kids, and they do activities, and activities cost money, so I can't be going to the fancy store. But this is our secret ingredient. Let's be serious for a second. This is Palmini. Now, I know a lot of people poo-poo Palmini, but you're poo-pooing it because you're cooking it wrong. I know, grab the rosary, say a bunch of Hail Marys, you're cooking it wrong. That's not insulting you. I want to show you how to use this because it is a great alternative. You see me putting 2 cans in our strainer. Again, we're going to rinse this. Palmini is hearts of palm, and hearts of palm is a plant. Plants typically do have a strong taste. You don't see people saying, oh my gosh, that plant's so bland. No, it has a strong taste. So number one, we have to rinse it. Oh, in the can, it says just cook it for 90 seconds. And I really disagree with that. I think the longer you cook it, the longer that it takes for that taste to come out. But hold that thought because we're going to add our meatballs to our saucepan over here. Now, here's the thing about our meatballs. This is the Kroger brand. Y'all know, again, I don't shop at fancy stores. Just double check on your label. Kroger does a good job with this. Carandos, which is a kind of a brand name, they do a really good job of not having breadcrumbs in their meatballs, so that keeps the carb count low. Double check the carbs, double check the sugar, compare the labels, pick the one with the lowest amount of carbs and sugar, and there you're ready to go. Now, these are raw, obviously, so they're going to take about 20 minutes to cook. Notice I didn't spray my pan with any kind of nonstick spray. You're probably going to have to add a little water during the cooking process. With the beauty of video, I just advanced it to our next clip, which is adding the Palmini to this. Now you see that I'm using tongs. Let's talk about the nutrition value of Palmini. Gang, in a serving, it's just 20 calories, 4 grams of carbs. It's gluten-free because, hello, it's a plant. And I'm going to cook this down for about 5 to 10 minutes. And that's drastically more than what it says on the can, but it's going to be okay. You can see and look at it that it's cooked down. And I always say cook down, smother, all those words. Y'all know I'm from South Louisiana. We use those words. Let me know if you use the word smother. Comment below on your favorite smothered item. I would love to hear it. I answer all my comments. Please do. I love this community. We're going to add to this our Raos. Raos is an incredibly popular low-carb item, and you can even find it at Sam's Club now. Now, there's a couple other different items. There's someone told me called Yo Mama. I personally haven't tried it yet. If you tried it, you could definitely use that. I'm going to have some people say, oh, baby, I make my own pasta sauce. And I'm like, you go, girl. But Jesus, take the wheel. I ain't got time. But if it's a short recipe, let me know and share it below. We're going to, again, cook this down for about 5 more minutes. You see me adding a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Gang, I am a calorie person. I do want to watch out to see how much that we're adding to our pan. And here's the secret, goat cheese. Now remember, goat cheese has MCT. It also has A2 casein. Now MCT is what was in a lot of those keto products that were really preached to us about 5 to 6 years ago, even probably before that. My years are all mumble jumbled because of what's happened in the last 3 years. I can't say it because YouTube's going to ding me, but it does help to keep us full. Love goat cheese because it's also incredibly low sodium. It has A2 casein, which again helps with tummy. It makes it easy digestible. I have a lactose intolerant husband who doesn't listen to his lactose intolerant, so I try to give him a lot of goat cheese. And I just cook this down for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. You serve it. It's amazing. Look how gorgeous this looks. This will be your pasta replacer. Scroll into the description box for the recipe. Let me know if you tried any of these ingredients. And while you're in that description box, download my menu. Much love, gang. Dietitian Shelly signing off. Mwah.